Integrity and honesty are our #1 core value here at Sea Haus Realty.
So when you make your biggest investment, you can feel confident we have your best interest.
Sabine Robertson, broker-owner of Sea Haus Realty.
And Christine Robertson, Realtor and Director of Marketing, and we are your trusted mother-daughter real estate team on 38 Destin and Emerald Coast.
And for us, real estate has always been about people.
Which is why a lot of our business actually comes from past clients and referrals.
But don't take our word for it. Read our reviews and find out the experience we create for our clients.
We are so lucky to meet so many amazing people through social media, which has made relocation one of our specialties.
We truly help buyers learn about each community and area so they can make informed decisions. And for our sellers, we start with the perfect pricing strategy and presentation. We offer professional staging, video, photography, and drone shots.
And we don't just list your home online. We use AI strategy, agent outreach, and targeted social media campaigns to generate thousands of views for your listing.
Getting a house under contract is the easy part, but making it to closing is what counts.
Which is why we spend valuable time renegotiating terms, problem solving, and keeping high communication throughout the whole process. Even after closing, we continue to be a resource for our clients, including our annual beach bonfire.
And if you're thinking of buying and relocating to this beautiful area, we would love to be your trusted advisor.
Don't forget to follow us for more videos about 38 Destin and the Emerald Coast.